this video, I will show you step by step how you can upload a video to your Facebook page just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to open your Facebook page like this, okay? Just go to your Facebook home page, okay? And scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down and you should see over here, add photos or videos, okay? Click on add photos or videos like this, and here you go. You will be directly into your laptop and choose which video you want to add to your Facebook page, okay? I will add, for example, this video. I will click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Facebook page like this, okay? So what you will do next, click on next. Then describe your video here, put your description about your video and scroll down. If you want, you can make it public or you can make it private. You can choose this option from here and scroll down and click over here on publish, and your video will be published into your Facebook page. It's super easy and simple, okay? That's how you can upload a video to your Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.